Chief Certified Meteorologist Betty Davis and Hurricane Specialist Max Mayfield both here with your tropical update. Betty, of course, let's start with you.
And good afternoon. Right now, we find this tropical wave bringing heavy rain and stormy weather over parts of the Dominican Republic and Haiti. There still is a broad area of low pressure associated with it as it starts to make that westward move over the southeastern Bahamas. The hurricane hunters have been investigating. They still have not found a closed circulation at the surface, so it's still lacking that. And also a change from yesterday, the winds are a little lower. They can't find those winds at or beyond tropical storm force. So the strongest winds are below 40 miles an hour. However, it still could develop. We're looking at a high chance for development per the National Hurricane Center still as it moves toward the west-northwest. But notice yesterday it was at 80% over the next 5 days. Well, today it's at 70% over the next 5 days. Still something that all of the Bahamas and also Florida, especially South Florida, needs to pay attention to, Max. So let's take a closer look at what we're seeing with this wave now.
And we've had a lot of data coming in today. The NOAA hurricane hunters took off from MacDill Air Force Base about 2 o'clock in the morning, flew all morning down there till about mid-morning actually, and they were at 10,000 feet, couldn't find even a hint of a circulation. And then the Air Force flew in about mid-morning, and if you look at the visible picture here, you can see this little swirl there, the southeastern Bahamas. Not very impressive looking. The airplane flew right through that a couple times. They did find a good wind shift, but no closed circulation.
And that's probably fooling people. They're looking at that and thinking we have something.
Right, and it does look like a little circulation there, but it's as I say, I could paddle my canoe through there almost here for now. But also note there are no thunderstorms anywhere near that. So we don't have a well-defined circulation, we don't have organized convective activity, so no tropical cyclone for now.
And what are the models, the latest run? What do we have going on here?
Well, some of them, in fact about half of them actually, these are the more reliable ones. They actually lose the circulation. That means it's so weak they couldn't even track it. The red line there, the consensus of the reliable models that do hang on to it still show something moving across South Florida there into the Gulf of Mexico. And I guess the concern here is with the environmental conditions.
Right now running into some wind shear.
Yeah, there's no doubt, and it's probably a combination of things. Wind shear, involvement with the land there in the greater Antilles, and just, you know, the same thing we always talk about here, but this wind shear, if we look at this, you can see the shear there now in the yellow and green areas there, but there is still going to be this window of opportunity where that shear diminishes. So there's still some chance that it could make a comeback here by Sunday or so as it gets closer to us, and then it actually diminishes in the Gulf of Mexico too. Also, we like to point out the ocean heat content. This is warm, deep water as it gets closer to Florida and over that Gulf Stream in particular. That's just like high-octane fuel for anything that does develop there.
And now the European model, and one big shift we're noticing with this model today, Max, is the intensity. It looks like as though it's developing a less intense system headed in our direction.
This is a good trend, and we hope this continues. Yeah, you can see the tropical wave right here in the southeastern Bahamas. Just a weak hint of a circulation there as it gets near South Florida and the Florida Keys. This is by Sunday morning early, and then it does develop it, but not till it gets into the eastern Gulf of Mexico. And the same thing, the GFS.
Yeah, which has been weak all along, and even as we look at this latest run, we're finding not even a circulation when you start it off, and then once you go through time, maybe a hint of a weak circulation trying to get going Sunday morning. But look at where it is there, right on that northwestern tip of Cuba. So maybe a little interaction with land will even prevent that from organizing or getting going.
If the United States global model is correct and it's that close to Cuba, it's going to have a really, really difficult time developing. And then as you go on in time here, maybe a hint in the eastern Gulf there, but not much at all.
So our takeaway this afternoon, that bottom line we want you to know, the forecast confidence, it is still low, but we may still be dealing with the system pretty close to us. However, maybe a weak one.
Right, and one thing yesterday, you know, the Weather Service, we were on that conference call this afternoon, yesterday they used the hurricane word. Today they're saying anything from a low confidence, but between a tropical wave and a tropical storm. So And I think the tropical storm, you know, if it does that, it would still be on the weak side.
Yeah, and very possible that a heavy rain event for us, and that's about it.
Right. We could get that even if it stays a tropical wave. We don't want to forget about that.
Right, but just have your plan ready to go just in case, and as the new model runs come in, we will update you.